Hey Flyers, we're going around campus asking people what they're thankful for, what their favorite Thanksgiving food is, and how they're planning on spending break. Let's go.
Family, friends, God, a lot, you know.
I'm just thankful for my family, just being surrounded by the people that I love.
I'm thankful for my team and my coaches.
One thing I'm thankful for is my family and this beautiful school, yeah.
I am thankful for going home for Thanksgiving so I can see my dogs and family.
I'm thankful for my family and all my friends.
Just friends, family, being able to come to college, get an education.
That I'm here and my friends and family.
I'm thankful for my family, my tennis team, and Louis.
I am thankful for my family.
My new nephew that was brought in this last summer, so yeah.
One thing I'm thankful for is just the commitment of our faculty and staff here on campus.
Oh gosh, I really like ham. I'm not the biggest fan of turkey, which I get a lot of hate for, but honey baked ham.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is probably stuffing.
Sweet potato casserole.
Ham. It's not a dish, but pumpkin pie.
Mashed potatoes and gravy.
It has to be turkey, right?
I mean, macaroni and sweet potatoes like mixed together.
My favorite Thanksgiving food would have to be baked mac and cheese.
Probably cranberry sauce.
I'm really a huge fan of stuffing, so that's the best food that I'm looking forward to.
Well, watching football, of course, on Thanksgiving, and then just spending time with friends and family.
I think I'm gonna go back home and spend it with my grandpa and my cousins and my entire family.
I'm actually going to Switzerland.
I'm going to be working a lot, and after that, it's going to be going to my grandma's house for our annual, family gathering.
I'm going to go to Virginia Beach because my parents just moved there, and so I'm really excited to kind of check out the new hometown.